Summer hat, explained. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're diving into a very specific, yet delightful phrase used in the English language, summer hat. Ever heard of it? If not, or even if you have, let's explore its meaning and usage together. A summer hat is not just any hat. It's a hat specifically designed for the summer season. What makes it special is its purpose. Summer hats are generally designed to 1. Protect your head and face from the sun's harmful rays. 2. Keep you cool during the hot weather. 3. Serve as a fashion statement during summer months. These hats are often made of lightweight materials, have wide brims, and sometimes have ventilation features. There are a variety of styles that fall under the category of summer hats. Here are a few popular ones. 1. Panama hat. A classic style, usually made of straw, with a wide brim. 2. Bucket hat. A casual hat with a downward sloping brim. 3. Floppy hat. A hat with a very wide, floppy brim, often worn by women at the beach. Remember, the key feature of these hats is their ability to shield the wearer from the sun while providing a breezy, summery look. To help you better understand, let's see how summer hat can be used in sentences. 1. Don't forget to pack your summer hat for the beach trip. 2. I bought a new summer hat that will go perfectly with my sundress. 3. It's so sunny outside. I wish I had a summer hat to wear. Using the phrase correctly in sentences will not only help you remember its meaning but also make your English sound more natural. And there you have it. Summer hat is more than just a combination of two words. It's about protection, style, and the joyous vibes of summer. We hope you enjoyed this explainer and feel more confident using this phrase. Stay cool, and don't forget to rock your summer hat when the sun's out.